You only need 2 investments to never work again. Not 10, not 5, not some complicated portfolio with crypto and real estate and God knows what else. Just 2. And if you're doing more than 2, you're probably wasting your money and spreading yourself too thin. Because with investing, it comes down to just 2 things, which is growing your money and having your money pay you. That's it. One fund does each job, and together, it gives you total financial freedom. So let's get straight into it. Investment number 1 is a global stock market dividend fund. Now, this is an income investment. And what does that actually mean? This is a fund that pays you just for owning it. So every quarter, sometimes every month, money's going to land in your bank account without you selling a single thing. You don't sell the investment, you don't touch the investment, and this income replaces your salary. That's the goal. Now, I say global for a very important reason, because most people just invest in their home country. So if you're an American, you buy the S&P 500. If you're in the UK, you buy a UK fund. Now, that is actually very risky, because 100 years ago, Britain was the wealthiest country in the world, and today, it's not even close, because all it takes is one policy change, one assassination, one shift in global power, and your entire portfolio is exposed. So by going global, you sleep easy. You've got access to every major market in the world, and it's also a hedge against exchange rate. And here's what most people can't believe. There's actually some good companies that exist outside of the USA, especially when it comes to dividends, because the US in general is a growth market, which means the companies mainly focus on growth. But in the UK, my home country, the UK is mainly a dividend market. Now, what this means is there are insurance companies paying up to 8% in dividends very easily. So the beauty of a global dividend fund is it captures all of that. Now, here's what I want you to do. How much money a month do you want to make passively, right? Because this is your freedom number, and this is really important. Make sure you pay attention to what I say now. How much money do you want, right? Not how much money do you think you can have, not how much money is realistic. What money, how much money do you want passively? That could be $2,000 a month, it could be $5,000, it could be $10,000. Maybe you've got expensive taste, but just pause the video and write down what your freedom number actually is. Now that you've got your freedom number, it's very easy to work backwards and calculate how much you need to invest. Now, I'm going to say something that in the investing industry, a lot of people don't like to hear, but the reality is, and it's a blunt, harsh truth, the more money you can put in, the faster you can retire. That's it. There's no secret formula. There's no hack, because a global dividend fund averaging, for example, 4 to 5% in dividends, that's around $2,000 a month, roughly from $500,000 invested. So the more money you put in, the faster you're going to get there. If you put in less, it's going to take you longer. The math does not lie. Now, you're wondering, oh, Atif, how the heck am I going to get 500 grand? Now, this is where the second index fund comes into play. Because here's the thing, right? Income alone is not enough. You need growth too. And this is where number 2, our second investment, comes in, which is a global stock market index fund. Now, this is a growth fund. This is designed to grow your capital, not to pay you every month, but to grow your money significantly over time. Now, you might be wondering, oh, Tiff, why is this so important? Because maybe you want to clear your mortgage off in 10 years. A growth fund can absolutely do that for you. You grow the capital, and then you can pay off the big lump sum. And similarly, maybe you want to put a deposit down for a property. It's the exact same thing. Or maybe you just want to grow your wealth over time and sell small parts of it when you need to. Now, I say global for the same reason. The US is great, obviously. Obviously, I don't hate the US. I love the US, right? I'm not anti-US, but one country is risky. And by going global, you're capturing the entire world stock market, and you're protected if the US underperforms for a decade, which has happened before and will happen again. Now, this is really, really important right here. You need both of these funds to be successful. It's not one or the other. You need both, because here's what happens when you actually have both. The dividend fund can replace your salary. You never have to work again, and the growth fund builds your capital up over time. You can clear your mortgage, buy your property, and do whatever you want. Now, as you get wealthier and as your growth fund compounds, you can sell bits of it off and put it into the dividend fund so you can actually generate more income, because as you get older, you're going to want more income. You're going to want more money coming in every single month without lifting a finger, and that's the beauty of having both. They work together simultaneously. One grows your wealth, the other pays the bills, and that right there is total freedom. So let me give you an example. Let's say you're putting $1,000 a month between both funds, and again, if you're like, oh, Atif, that's unrealistic for you, you choose whatever number is realistic for you, right? That could be $100 a month. Everyone has to start somewhere. Even Atif had to start with less than $100 a month, right? So let's say you've got $500 a month going into the global dividend fund, and the other $500 going into the global growth fund. After 10 years, your dividend fund is paying you a growing monthly income. That is your salary replacement right there. And your growth fund is compounding into a serious lump sum, and you could generally clear off your mortgage or just let it keep compounding. And after 15 or 20 years, you can sell chunks of the growth fund and pump it into dividends, and your monthly income will just keep going up and up and up. You're not working, you're not worrying, you are financially free, and you've got some generational wealth that you can hand down to your kid. Now look, the financial industry makes this complicated, right? 10 funds, 15 funds, managed portfolios, fees on top of fees, and I know this because I used to work in the industry, right? You don't need any of that. You just need 2 funds, one that grows your money and the other one that pays the bills, and that right there is total financial freedom. Now, if you want to learn more, make sure you join the Freedom Capital Institute newsletter down below. It's my personal newsletter. You get 4 newsletters a week that are professionally done, helping you to become financially free. Go check that out. And if you want the strategy that I broke down earlier on how to aggressively retire early, go check out this video on screen now.